Welcome back to character elimination. Last time the frenemies lost. Let's go to the elimination center. Alright contestants, I'm Toofy and I'll be your prize hander. First of all, Titanic gets the prize. The prize is a new toothbrush. She gets the ability the next time the frenemies are up for elimination. Now it's time for the elimination votes. Titanic, and Amtrak are safe at 0 votes. Billy and Stay Puft are safe at 1 vote, even though Stay Puft is not here. And coronavirus is eliminated at 99 votes. What? Why am I eliminated? Well, maybe it's because you put COVID on the meatball and kept forcing us to eat it. Follow me to the cannon of shame. Any last words before I launch you back to the solar system? You'll pay for this. The next challenge is the try not to cough challenge. Whoever doesn't cough wins. The challenge starts now. Stay Puft, you're out. Amtrak. Britannic. Billy. Titanic, you won because you're the final one and you didn't even cough. So it looks like the Fowls have won once again and the frenemies are up for elimination. Vote for who to be eliminated and who to win the prize. Stay Puft for coughing first, you get a penalty. Oh no, what is it? You have to hold this sign that says vote me out. Oh no, now the Ghostbusters will be angry at me when they see this. Whee! So yeah, vote for who to be eliminated but please do not vote for who shall be the prize hander because ferromex will do it. Voting ends tomorrow at 9 o'clock a.m. So vote before that date and that time.